Okay, this is a quick and to the point video of how to get Netflix to work on an older tablet or an automotive tablet, a car tablet. I finally got it to work. Yay. This is my fourth or fifth installation of Netflix. And well, trust me, it works. I don't have good reception right here. But it does work. So what you do, you have to make sure you have an APK installer. Long story short, you have to figure out what version of Android you have on your tablet, and then you have to find an older version of Netflix that supports that tablet. And you can find versions of Netflix all the way back from like 1.6 up to 7.65. This is the year 2020, July. So as of July 2020, I think the most recent Netflix version is 7.8 or something. But you can download 1.8, 2.2, 3.7, etc. and so forth. The version that works for mine is, if we go to APKs, we can go to install. I see, here you go. I have 3 different versions of Netflix. The one that worked was, for me, it doesn't even tell you which version it is, so that's a problem. If I'm looking at the old versions, I don't know. Yeah, see, these are all different versions. And this one is, I think, the oldest, and then this one was newer and it didn't work either, and then this one is the right one. I can't tell you specifically what version to use, but what you need to do is find out what your tablet is and then Google which version of Netflix works with Android 5.0, 4.2, whatever version of Android you have. And then once it tells you which APK you need to Google download Netflix APK. Mine was 6.01. That's what worked with mine. I'm not sure which one that is. But once I downloaded it and installed it, it worked. These other 2 did not work. This one I could start to play a show and then it would just freeze and give me a black screen. This one, it wouldn't let me sign in. It just kept rejecting my password and my email and password, which was odd, so I couldn't even get into it. And then this one, everything worked fine. I signed in and it plays. So that's what so Netflix will work with older tablets. You just need to download older versions of it. And I'll put some links in the video below that will help you in the description area, that will help you find the version that you need. Good luck.